Hello, my lovely anatomist and physiologist. Michele Glass here, and let's do just a quick conversation on the enteric nervous system, or what we can abbreviate as the ENS. Now, the term enteric, we've talked about a little bit before, is referring to the gastrointestinal tract of animals. So enteric nervous system is going to be the collection of ganglia and neurons that are regulating the GI tract. So we can say control GI tract. GI, of course, stands for gastrointestinal tract. So we're talking here about the coordination of the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. What we will see with the enteric nervous system is that this is primarily short reflexes. And we defined short reflexes in an earlier presentation as bypassing the central nervous system. So we are seeing processing that's occurring in the peripheral nervous system as it relates to coordinating the stomach, small and large intestine. And we'll see that this involves the myenteric plexus, which is the collection of nerves that are here on controlling stomach, small and large intestine. It's embedded in the organ walls. We'll be talking about this when we get into the digestive system. And so when we have short reflexes, what we're really talking about is a very localized control of the organs. And for instance, here, what we'll see is just the filling or distortion of the stomach. Here's one example, is going to increase then the stomach motility. So just movement of food into the stomach causes that stomach motility to increase. And the stomach has this kind of movement that's described as segmentation movement, and it's like a churning, it's a mixing, and it's kind of like a little bit of a mechanical breakdown of that food. So that'll be an important part of the digestive activities that's happening in the stomach. And then when we talk about the enteric nervous system, we will see that it is decreased by the sympathetic nervous system, which lines up with what we've already said regarding sympathetic nervous system decreases the activity of the digestive system. And so then we would expect the parasympathetic nervous system to increase the activities of the ENS. So again, just to be clear, we're seeing that the GI tract is being locally controlled, short reflexes by the enteric nervous system, but we do get overriding signals from the autonomic nervous system, the sympathetic and the parasympathetic. So we do have some long reflexes or long control as well. All right, stay tuned. I think maybe one video left to finish up chapter 15. And as always, take care of yourselves and each other.